Okay, for number 8, again, it's really, we're almost in an infinite loop here of doing these problems, and it's good to practice, by the way. You'll get much more comfortable with what you're doing when you practice it. N goes to infinity. That's going to be 9 to the n plus 1, x plus 4 to the n plus 1 over 7n plus 7 times, again, the reminder is this is our an. We're going to divide by that or multiply by its reciprocal, which is 7n over 9 to the n times x plus 4 to the nth power. Let's go through the work. First thing I'm noticing is the 9, and I would get a 9 there. It's pretty simple to do that. The absolute value of 9 is 9. I'll put it on the outside. Limit n goes to infinity. And let's take a look. I got this, I got that. That reduces just to simply x plus 4 times, and I'm looking at this, 7n over 7n plus 7. And that limit's relatively easy to do. If you want to divide by n, you can. You get 7 over 7, which would be 1. So you get something pretty simple. You get 9, absolute value of x plus 4. And that should be less than 1. Let's write that down. X plus 4, absolute value, less than 1/9, which means x plus 4 is between 1/9 and minus 1/9. All right, what I'm going to do now is subtract 4 from all sides. I want to point out 4 is the same thing, 36 over 9. Right, so what are you going to get? Minus 37/9. I'm subtracting 4 from both sides, by the way. And then you're going to get minus 35/9. Now, I want to go back and read the question to you. It wants the interval. And so that's really an onus on me now to test those endpoints out. It is. I got to test the endpoints out. And let's do one at a time. Let's try x equals minus 37/9. And what does that give us? N equals 1 to infinity. You're going to get 9 to the n. And then you're going to get, x plus 4. And again, 4 is 36/9. And 36/9 plus minus 37/9 is going to be minus 1/9. And that's going to be over 7n. Right? So just, to emphasize this, I probably should simplify it a little tiny bit. N equals 1 to infinity. And that's going to give me minus 1 to the n over 7n. This is convergent. AST test if you want. I'll include it. And what are we including over there? Minus 37/9. Let's try minus 35/9. Let's see what happens there. All right? So I'm going to say what happens when x is minus 35/9. Let's write it down. N equals 1 to infinity. Let's see, 9 to the n. And then I'm going to do minus 35/9 plus 4, which is 36/9, which can be 1/9. And that's 7 on the bottom. And what do you get there? It's relatively simple. It's n equals 1 to infinity. That's going to be 1 to the n, which is just 1, and they get 7n. Certainly a divergence series, by the way. So do not include that. So let's put the interval down now. I think I'm ready to do that. Minus 37/9, comma, and it goes up to minus 35/9. It's not touching it. Put that down. And let's take a look. See if we got it. Okay, we're good. Time to go on. Thank you.